We got the value of 1.19 for C sub 2.
Given a triangle with side A is equals to 6, B is equals to 7, and angle A is equals to 30 degrees, find the other angles and sides. By law of sines, A over sine A is equals to B over sine B. We derived a formula and came up with A sine B is equals to B sine A. We substitute the values, then we got 6 sine B is equals to 7 sine 30 degrees. We divide both sides by 6 to leave the angle B behind. By using calculator, we get the angle of B is equals to sine negative 1 times 7 sine 30 degrees over 6. Now we have the value of 35.69 degrees. There are two angles between 0 and 180 degrees, whose sine is approximately 35.69 degrees and 144.31 degrees. If B is equals to 35.69 degrees, then angle C is equals to 180 degrees minus 30 degrees minus 35.69 degrees is equals to 114.31 degrees. To solve for side C, we use the sine formula C over sine C is equals to A over sine A. We derive the formula, which is A sine C over sine A. Substitute the value, we get 6 sine 114.31 over sine 30. The value of C sub 1 is 10.94. If B is 144.31 degrees, then C sub 2 is equals to 180 minus 30 minus 144.31. We got 5.69 degrees. Finding the value of C sub 2, the side C sub 2 is, we use the formula C over sine C is equals to A sine A. Deriving the formula, and we arrive at C is equals to A sine C over sine A. Substituting the values, 6 sine 5.69 degrees over sine 30.
We got the value of 1.19 for C sub 2.
And that's how we'll solve an ambiguous case of a triangle.